Hello Mathos, welcome to One My Maths. Today you are going to learn about exercise 2 in sets. In this first question, if A is equals to, it is a set consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4 elements and B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have to find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? So first of all, we have to find A intersection B. So it means the common elements in both A and B. So A intersection B is equals to, we have to write the common elements in both the sets. So 1, 2, 3 are the common elements. In the same way, B intersection A also the common elements are 1, 2, 3. From this we can say that A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. So they are equal sets. Second question, if A is equals to 0, 2, 4, find A intersection pi and A intersection A and make a comment. So A is equals to 0, 2, 4 elements are there and phi is empty set, so there is no element. So if we take A intersection pi, so that is equals to empty set. In the same way, A intersection A gives us 0, 2, 4 intersection 0, 2, 4, it remains the same set, that is equals to A. So by this we can conclude that so A intersection pi is equals to pi, that is empty set, and A intersection A, that is equals to A. Third question, if A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, here we have to find the difference between A and B, means A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B. So just we have to cancel the common elements and write down the remaining elements which are present in A. So 6 is common in the both the sets, that's why we have to cancel the 6 and the only elements which are in A is 2, 4, 8, 10. In the same way, B minus A is equals to 3, 9, 12 and 15. So A minus B not equals to B minus A here. Here is the fourth question. If A and B are two sets such that A subset B, then what is A union B? So let us consider A subset B means if A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way A subset B. And if we calculate A union B, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is nothing but B set. Coming to the fifth question, let A is equals to X such that X is a natural number, B is equals to X such that X is an even natural number, and C is X such that X is an odd natural number, and D X such that X is a prime number. Find A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C, B intersection D and C intersection D. So first of all we have to write them into roster form. So A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite, and B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to infinite. In the same way, C is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 up to infinite. D is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 etc. So A intersection B nothing but the common elements of both A and B. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 etc. etc. So here we can get the even natural number up to infinite. So A intersection C gives 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 infinite. A intersection D gives 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 infinite. B intersection C gives, so there are no common elements, that is empty set, and B intersection D gives only 2 is the common element, so it gives singleton set, and C intersection D gives 3, 5, 7, 11 etc. etc. So these are the problems. Sixth question, if A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. D is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20. Then find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A, C minus A, D minus A, B minus C, B minus D, C minus B, and also finally D minus B. So A minus B. So here observe, only common elements we have to eliminate, and the numbers or elements which are present in A we have to write. So 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. So 12 cancelled. A minus C, here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 of C elements. So we have to cancel the common elements, write down the A elements only. So 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. A minus D also 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Here 15 get cancelled. So in the same way, B minus A gives you 4, 8, 16, 20. So 12 get cancelled. C minus A 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. D minus A gives you 55, 10, 20, 15 cancelled. B minus C gives only 20 because 4, 8, 12, 16 gets cancelled. B minus D gives 4, 8, 12, 16. Next, C minus B gives 2, 6, 10, 14. And D minus B gives 5, 10, 15 because 20 gets cancelled. Seventh question. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. First one. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. No, it's false because 3 is common element between those two sets. So if the intersection gives you empty set, then they are said to be disjoint sets. So it is false statement. Second question. A, E, I, O, U and B, A, B, C, D are disjoint sets. So here also A is common element between them. So those two intersection gives you A. So it is not equals to pi. It is also a false statement. Third statement is true because there is no common elements. That's why their intersection gives you a null set or empty set or void set. That's why the statement is 2. And fourth one is also true because there is no common element between the two sets. So they also gives, the intersection gives you empty set. So that's why these are disjoint sets. Thank you for watching. We will continue in the next class.